Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Arun. In this video I am going to solve the Kcet paper which was held yesterday, that is 31st July 2020, and I am going to solve C series paper with the key answers and also explanation. So not wasting time, just go to the first question. The copper extracted from copper pyrites by the options are thermal decomposition, reduction by coke, electrometallurgy, auto reduction. So before going to that, I am going to tell you that this question paper contains so many questions that are direct questions. By seeing that question, we can round up the answer. So the options are thermal decomposition, reduction by coke. So auto reduction is the method to extract the copper by copper pyrites. This is the right answer. Though next move on to second question. The function of potassium ethyl xanthate in froth flotation process is to make the ore. The function of potassium ethyl xanthate is a collector. Its function is to non-wettability of ore particle. So non-wettability indicates hydrophobic. Hydro means water, phobic means heating. So the second option is right. This same question which was asked in 2012. This is a repeated question, friends. So next move on to third question. The sulfide ores on roasting gives a gas X. That gas react with Cl2 in the presence of activated charcoal to give Y. Then we have to find out the Y. What is Y here? So I solved here. Look here. The sulfide ore I taken here as zinc sulfide, that is roasted means heated in the presence of air. We get a zinc oxide and a sulfur dioxide. Here X is SO2, that is treated with Cl2 in the presence of activated charcoal. We get SO2 Cl2. So the option is A. Let's move on to a third question. Fourth question, aqueous solution of salt A forms a dense white precipitate with BaCl2 solution. The precipitate dissolved in dilute HCl to produce a gas B which decolorize acidified KMnO4 solution. So for this question you must have the practical idea, friends. So that look here, the precipitate formed here is dissolved in dilute HCl. So that BaSO4 is insoluble in dilute HCl. So the option B and D are eliminated. So option A and C are left here. So that gas produced which decolorize the acidified KMnO4. So look here, friends, SO2 decolorize the KMnO4 by producing the sulfuric acid. So SO2 is here, SO2 acts as a reducing agent, KMnO4 acts as a oxidizing agent. So the option is BaSO3 SO2. BaSO3 SO2. So the next question is, the bond angle in PH4 plus is more than that of the PH3. This is because the options are lone pair bond pair repulsion exists in PH3. Second option is PH4 plus has square planar structure. Third one, PH3 has planar trigonal structure. Hybridization of P changes from PH3 is to PH4 plus. So look here, friends, this is the explanation here. PH3, PH4 plus both are undergo sp3 hybridization. So the option 4 will eliminated. The structure are PHH here. This is the presence of lone pair of electron. So the structure is trigonal pyramidal. The structure of PH4 plus is tetrahedral with a bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes. So the bond angle decreases because the presence of lone pair of electrons. Here there is a repulsion of lone pair of electron and bonding pair of electron. So here is the increasing order of repulsion. Lone pair greater than lone pair greater than bond pair. So with the presence of lone pair of electron, bond angle decreases. So the option is lone pair bond pair repulsion exists in PH3. So let's move on to sixth one. Incorrect matched pair is XeO3 pyramidal, XeF4 tetrahedral, XeF6 distorted octahedral, XeOF4 square pyramidal. So look here, friends, XeO3 is a pyramidal structure, undergo sp3 hybridization. XeF4 undergo square planar structure with the hybridization sp3d2. They are given here tetrahedral. The second is incorrect match. Let's see for another. XeF6 distorted octahedral. Yeah, same they given here. undergo sp3d3 hybridization. The last one is XeOF4 square pyramidal, yeah, same, undergo sp3d2 hybridization. So the option, yeah, look here friend, option second one, yeah. Let's move on to your seventh question. Phosphorus pentachloride on hydrolysis gives an oxo acid of phosphorus which is tribasic. Second option is on hydrolysis gives an oxo acid of phosphorus which is a good reducing agent. Third one, all have 5 equivalent bonds. Last one is exist as ionic solid in which cation has octahedral structure and anion has tetrahedral structure. The first option is, and hydrolysis gives oxo acid. Let's see that. Phosphorus PCl5 undergo hydrolysis means adding water, we get POCl3 with the elimination of HCl. That POCl3 is treated with 3 molecules of water, we get H3PO3 which is a tribasic, means which contains 3 OH group. So the first option is right. Next one to second option on hydrolysis which gives oxo acids of phosphorus which is a good reducing agent. So this is a H3PO3. This is a structure of H3PO3, P double bond OH. This compounds doesn't contain pH bond, so it is not a good reducing agent. So the third option, all have 5 equivalent bonds. The PCl5 contains 5 bonds. Out of 5, 3 equivalent bonds are equal, 2 axial bonds are different. So the option third is wrong. The fourth one is exist as a ionic solid. It is correct, which is in which cation has octahedral structure. No, cation has a tetrahedral structure, anion has octahedral structure. Though, so option the first is right. Let's move on to eighth one. Identify the set of paramagnetic ion among the following: V plus 2, CO plus 2, Ti plus 4. Second option is Ni plus 2, Cu2 plus, Zn2 plus, Ti plus 3, Cu2 plus, Mn plus 3, Sc plus 3, Ti 3 plus, V plus 3. So the paramagnetic nature means any ions which contains unpaired electron. Look here, V plus 2 contains 3 unpaired electron, CO2 plus contains 3 unpaired electron, Ti plus 4 contains 0. So 0 means this is diamagnetic. So Ni plus 2 contains 2, Cu2 plus 1, Zn plus 2 0. This is also diamagnetic. Option first and second are wrong. Ti plus 3 1, Cu2 plus 1, Mn plus 3 4. This is the right option. So let's see last one. Sc plus 3 0, Ti plus 3 1, V plus 3 3. So that option third is the right answer. So ninth one is, how many moles of acidified KMnO4 K2Cr2O7 is required to liberate 6 moles of I2 from an aqueous solution of I minus. Look here friends, this is a reaction Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6I minus give rise to 3I2 plus 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. This is an ionic reaction. Here 1 molecule of Cr2O7 gives 3 moles of I2. So we want 6 moles here, 6 moles of I2. So it is very easy, 2 moles of K2Cr2O7 is required. So that option 2 is right answer. So let's move on to 10th question. Cu2Cl2 and CuCl2 in aqueous solution, or CuCl2 is more stable than Cu2Cl2. Second option is stability of Cu2Cl2 is equal to stability of CuCl2. Third option, both are stable. Fourth option, Cu2Cl2 is more stable than CuCl2. Look here friends, Cu2Cl2, in Cu2Cl2 copper has plus 1 oxidation state, CuCl2 have plus 2 oxidation state. Plus 2 oxidation state are always more stable than plus 1 oxidation state because it has more negative enthalpy of hydration of Cu2 plus ion than Cu, which is more than the second ionization energy of copper. So that option first is the right option. So let's move on to 11th question. The coordination number of iron and cobalt in the complex FeC2O4 thrice 3 minus and COSCN4 2 minus respectively are, look here friends, C2O4 means this is bidendant ligand, this is oxalato ligand which bonded to the central metal atom with the 2 bond, that is it can donate the 2 lone pair of electron, that is 2 into 3 is 6, the coordination number is 6. Next one is SCN. SCN is a ambidendant ligand which can donate through nitrogen or through sulfur. So SCN 4 times here, this is the coordination number is 4. So the option D is the right answer. So next one, 12th one is number of stereoisomers exhibited by COEN twice Cl2 plus is, here En means ethylene diamine. So look here friends, these are the isomers. This is a cis isomer where same ligands which are present the same side. This is the mirror image of this cis isomer. These two are D and L isomer. This is a trans isomer where two chlorine atoms are opposite to each other. So optically active stereoisomers there are two here. So optically inactive stereoisomer is one, that is a trans isomer. Totally 3 isomers are possible for this compound. So the option D is the right. So next one is give the IUPAC name of the PTNH34 PTCl4. So look here friend, this is a cationic complex and this is a anionic complex friend. PTNH34 ammonia is a neutral ligand. So here platinum has +2 oxidation state. So tetraamine platinum 2, platinum, why I wrote as platinum, because it is a cationic complex. Platinum 2 tetrachlorido platinate, because this is a negative complex. Platinate 2 ion. The option here is D. Prolonged exposure of chloroform in humans may cause the damage to liver. It due to the formation of following compound. Here is a reaction friends. This is very easy. Chloroform CHCl3 exposed to light in the presence of oxygen, we get a poisonous gas, nothing but phosgene. That formula is COCl2. That is here the option second is the right answer. Next motto, 15th question. Which of the following halides shows highest reactivity towards SN1? The reactivity is in the order 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than primary and methyl. So here allylic and benzylic halides are more reactive towards SN1 mechanism. So here allylic means no compounds are present in allylic, though benzylic, this is C6H5CH2Cl is a benzylic halide which is highly reactive towards SN1 mechanism. The option is the right answer. The next one is 16th question. This is CH3 CH2 MgBr, here CH3 plus CH3NH2. This is a Grignard reagent, react with methylamine, nothing but methamine. This is a reaction friends. Here hydrogen of amine gives to the CH2 here. Therefore the reaction is CH3 CH2 plus 1 hydrogen. It obtained is 2-methyl propane plus the remaining product is MgNHCH3Br. 2-methyl propane has 2 isomers. How many number of possible isomers they asked here? 2 possible isomers, that is 2-methyl propane, and the second one is butane, that is normal butane, N-butane. So the option is, so 17th question, which of the following on heating gives ether as a major product? This question is based on the Williamson ether synthesis. For that we required alkyl halide when treated with sodium alkoxide, it gives ethers. The first option C6H5CH2Br plus CH3ONA with the elimination of NaBr, it gives ethers. The second option C6H5ONA plus methyl bromide with the elimination of NaBr, here also it gives ethers. The third option, so third option here is friends, tertiary butyl chloride react with sodium methoxide, it doesn't give ethers, it gives 2-methyl propene. Look here friends, CH3 double bond CH2 with the liberation of NaBr plus CH3OH. So in option you can eliminate the R containing option, that is first and second. So choose the option which contains P and Q. So the last option is right. Let's move to the 18th question. The steps involved in the conversion of propane 2-ol to propane 1-ol are, I solved here friends. Look here, this is a lengthy process, just go through that. Propane 2-ol treated with phosphorus pentachloride, it forms 2-chloropropane. That 2-chloropropane undergo dehydration, that is in the presence of alcoholic KOH, which gives propene, that propene undergo hydroboration. Finally we get propane 1-ol. This is a process of conversion of propane 2-ol to propane 1-ol. So the option third one is the right answer. Let's move on to 19th question. Which of the following is a strongest base among? The first one is CH3COO minus, second is Cl minus, third one is OH minus, fourth one is CH3O minus. Look here friends, this is very important. Write this: CH3CO minus, Cl minus, OH minus, CH3O minus. Just add H plus ion, we get acetic acid, HCl, H2O, CH3OH. Just arrange this in the increasing order of acidic strength. So HCl is more acidic, then acetic acid, then H2O, then CH3OH. So hence basic strength is in the reverse order of acidic strength. So CH3O minus is strongest base than weak, that is Cl minus, that is weak base. CH3O minus greater than OH minus greater than CH3CO minus greater than Cl minus. So CH3O minus is a strongest base here. So option fourth is the right answer. Yeah, okay friends, you can get the remaining 30 solved questions in my next video. Please like my video and please subscribe to our channel and don't miss to press the bell icon. And one more thing friends, please share this video to your friends. Thank you.